What is up, YouTube? We're back. We got another OVO review. This time the OG Owl, or almost like the Santa Owl Hoodie. So pretty much one of OVO's last drops of the year. Before the last week, which was actually an OG Owl drop, it was just a total OVO regular drop, but they had tons of different cool stuff. They had these really cool pants with owls on it, like an actual fucking owl, which is so cool. So many different types of things, and they finally restocked the Santa Owl Hoodie. I was hoping it would come back this year. It looked like it wasn't, but then it did. Kind of sucks it happened after Christmas. I'll be able to wear it after Christmas next year, but anyway, I did pick up obviously Santa Owl Hoodie in this evergreen color. I thought this one went great. Okay, the black one is very clean. I thought about that last year. They only had black and red and white last year. I like the black, but I have a lot of black hoodies, right? So I was fuck that. And I want some Christmas theme, right? And there's red already on this, and I'm like, red would have been really loud. And this green, I seen the guy wearing it, and I was like, damn, this one's really nice. The quality's really good on this. I think they priced this at fucking $198. Fuck. The price has been going up. Last year this was at $168, so it's why the 30 bump? I don't really know. It's not an OG Owl stitching, but it's Chanel. So I'll give you a breakdown of the hoodie. It's obviously in that evergreen color. The OG Owl, obviously the Santa one, has got a Santa hat on, and that's about it. The rest is just white and black. This is a Chanel patch, I believe. This is not embroidered. They pretty much embroidered the patch, but it's not specifically embroidered like the OG Owl. And also the tag right here, extra large and made in Canada. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, anything made in Canada, obviously much better. Obviously better than made in China, right? So I'll kind of show you the Chanel patch up close if the B-roll didn't catch it well. There it is. Super nice, man. This is a really nice collector's piece. And a big thing on the back, the part which I really like, it wasn't in it last year. They added this saying, peace on earth, goodwill toward all, with the OG Owl in white. So kind of have that. Wait, let me do it this way. As you can see, that's a design. I think that's really cool. You know what? It's a Christmas thing. Might as well add a nice touch like that, you know? We all want peace on earth, man. This hoodie is super nice. I'll have an on-body sprinkled in just to kind of see how it fits. It did fit really well. It felt yo, if I put a large on for this, it's gonna be tight. So if you're wondering who's sizing, man, I say size up, honestly. I usually size up with OVO. Definitely here. I know some things could be borderline, but this one 100%, man. It would have been skin tight if I got it on large. I would have been fucking I'm going I'm playing some fucking, I'm doing gymnastics or something like that, fucking tight. No, not fucking doing that. So, but anyway, yeah, just super nice, really good quality. I guess it's got this, it's got their fleece inner lining. I like it. It's in green, so I haven't seen that before. This one's a very collector's piece, I think, but yeah, OVO had a great year in general, right? They really picked it up later, and I think this is pretty cool. Would you wear something like this? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
You wouldn't pay the big money for it, but
yeah, probably not. But I think the reason why it's so expensive is because it's made in Canada.
Made in Canada.
Whereas
right?
if it were to be made in China or somewhere else, it would have been cheaper.
But I'll show you the tag as well if you're wondering. It's the regular, pretty much, OVO black and gold, and then on the back it's got pretty much the style code. It's listed as green, just green. Hoodie, extra large, and then it's got just the usual, nothing really to read into right there. And yeah, that's about it, guys. But let me know if you copped anything in December for OVO. They'll be off for a few weeks before they do another drop, but who knows how good that'll be. Obviously, usually they start off kind of slow during the year. I really bought a lot in the last few months, so I'm hoping not to buy for a little while. So I only honestly buy when I feel like it's something that very, very cool. But if it's just kind of bland, I don't really bother anymore. But yeah, rate my pickups down below what you thought. Did you have a great Christmas, great holiday season? I wish I could have worn this for the holiday season, but I'll be able to wear it in the future, so that's all that matters. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you watched to the end of the review, you didn't consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, and turn that post notification bell down below as well. This week we'll be posting every day, so the post notifications will be on. If you have them on, and you'll be notified for every single one of our videos. And yeah, why not watch it? If you like reactions, challenges. We actually just filmed in Minus 14 up here in Canada, in Toronto, so you can check that out. And since we didn't do it for nothing, hopefully. My hands are still here too. They didn't fall off. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. That was my review of the OVO Santa Owl Hoodie. Take it easy.